We had a Tua sighting at the end of the Jets-Dolphins game. Very fun. He only threw the ball twice, but I figured I'd make it just a little quick video talking about what happened. It was very fun, and let's just get into it. The first play was very fun, where this actually wasn't his first play. He handed the ball off on his first play. This is his first pass. He's going to run play action. He's going to roll out to the top of the screen. You have another player lined up in the backfield who Tua is going to end up throwing this ball to. The only other Miami player on that side of the field is just going to be running deep to try to take away, any Jets defenders in that area. And what I love about this play is that once it starts, you notice Tua is in trouble right here, right? So there's pressure coming to Tua. There is a window where he can try to make this throw. But again, what I love about it is that, when you're watching this play, you're naturally like, okay, this is going to be a tough throw. Rolling to your left, you're going to have to turn your shoulders around, make the throw. But no, you don't, because Tua's left-handed. I feel like it just naturally doesn't, sit right. Tua's able to make the throw easily because he's left-handed, and they gain a couple yards. His only other pass attempt was this one, where it's going to be a cover 3 zone blitz that the Jets are in for Miami. They have 3 players who are going to be running over the middle on this play. And what's going to be notable is that once this play starts, New York is definitely taking away the middle. There's all 3 players who are covering the 2 Miami players in that area. Really, probably the defensive back should kind of run in and cover up the Miami player who's in the yellow circle at the bottom of the screen. But again, we're talking in the final 2 minutes of a blowout loss. I'm not sure if they're really even trying that hard, to be honest. But hey, give credit to Tua. He notices it. He sees the open guy. He makes the throw, and they get the first downs. Pretty cool play. Pretty cool to see Tua out there. Nothing major. Didn't really learn anything, but it was fun. So figured make a quick video. I'm not going to take too much longer on it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know how you think Tua is going to do once he finally gets significant playing time. But thought it was fun to just talk about him. And until next time, hope you have a good one. And as always, thanks for watching.